And welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will tell you how to change your Instagram username or your Instagram password. Okay, open your Instagram, go to your profile. Now click on edit profile. You can change your username here, and you can also edit your profile by click on this, but I don't change my username. Okay, next is to change your Instagram password. You have to click on three lines at the top right. Now click on settings, scroll down, click on security. Now tap on password. Now you can change your password from here. Put your current password. If you forget your password, then you can click on forget your password, and there is link sent to your email account. And now add your new password and add your confirm password. Now tick it. Okay, and your new password is set. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.